The Zambia National Building Society, Znbs, mobile banking project, supported by the Rural Finance Expansion Program, Rufep, has helped to decongest the bank's branches as a result of the mobile banking innovation. Rufep partnered with the Znbs to develop and implement agency and mobile banking services for the bank to increase financial inclusion and to promote mobile phone-based transactions. Rufep is an initiative of the International Fund for Agricultural Development, IFAD, and the Government of the Republic of Zambia under the Ministry of Finance with a mandate to promote rural financial inclusion. The program works through implementing partners such as the Zambia National Building Society, Znbs, to promote access to and use of sustainable financial services by the rural people.
Government has set up a unit called Rural Finance Unit. That unit is going to be the focal point for all rural finance issues in Zambia. So when players in the sector have any issues to do with rural finance, their first point of call will be the Rural Finance Unit to be able to support them in terms of any other support that is required and also in terms of policy issues.
Financed under the agency and mobile banking window 2 of Rufep's Innovation and Outreach Facility, IOF, Znbs mobile banking project targets 3,500 mobile banking accounts and recruitment of 30 agencies by 30th June 2021. Following the development of the mobile banking platform, Znbs has been piloting the mobile banking services, which allows customers to perform balance inquiries, cash deposits, cash withdrawals, pay bills, and perform bank-to-wallet transactions. On the 2nd of December 2020, Rufep and the Rural Finance Unit, RFU staff of the Ministry of Finance, visited the Zambia National Building Society branches in Southern Province.
It is Rufep that got into a partnership with Znbs. So we co-financed the development of a system that we are using, and that's our interest. And so for the government of Zambia to be able to give Znbs money, the interest was that we want you to extend your financial services to rural areas. So we also work with agents to be able to onboard your clients without them having to walk into the branch. Because of distances and all those issues, it's difficult for people in the rural areas to have an account with Znbs. But if you're using a mobile phone, everybody has a mobile phone now, that can happen.
Znbs Livingstone branch manager Hilda Matapa Mbewe is happy with the innovation as it has helped to decongest the bank, adding that customers do not need to travel long distances to access financial services. Mrs. Mbewe said long queues stretching from outside the banking hall due to social distancing in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic are gone as a result of the mobile banking services.
Customers are able to buy their talk time on this platform. Customers are able to actually move funds from customers who are not customers for Building Society but for other banks or for other mobile platforms. So that helps us also cross-sell to those customers. It helps us grow our book. And then also, it's in terms of moving funds from one account to the other here in the society itself. That has happened. So it helps people, it facilitates payments amongst our customers also, which is great. And also it has helped us market in the sense that We have every time we have SMS alerts and we are marketing everything. For instance, we had the Nyumba ya Banja promotion. This platform really helped us reach out to so many people out there.
Znbs customers are happy with the mobile banking innovation, which has made banking easier, accessible anywhere and at any time. Arnold Saganya is one of the Znbs customers made by the Rufep team in Livingstone. Mr. Sakanya welcomed the mobile banking innovation, which has made banking convenient using mobile phone without coming to Livingstone Znbs branch.
It has a lot of advantages. A lot. Once it saves you time, you don't have to move from home coming here to make a transaction. You can make a transaction from wherever you are to Airtel Money. And being that the Airtel Money booth are all over, you can just make a transaction and withdraw the money from there. It's much faster and better. It's transparent.
It's a provider. The difference is that we've got mobile banking, which is good, which you can access 24 hours a day, 01, 02, anytime. Very happy. School fees, you can transact. Electricity, you can transact. Water and sewer, you can transact. Anything at 24 hours, which is good.
Actually, the COVID era worked to our advantage because to get them on board was a bit of a challenge. But when this happened, people just rushed to it because the rules sort of pushed people to fill in the forms and get on board. The issue of you only have to have 5 people per day in the branch at any given time. So we had so many queues. And the issue of social distancing, 1 meter apart or 2 meter apart, I think that made people just get on board. We actually had, I think all applications were done during that period. The demand was actually very high for that. It sort of just did the job for us.
And Znbs Choma branch manager, David Sichilongo, disclosed that rural people from Namwala, Kalomo, and other outlying areas used to travel long distances to access financial services in Joma. But with mobile banking, this challenge has been solved. Mr. Sichilongo says clients are now able to pay for digital satellite television, DSTV, buy electricity units, and transfer money to their colleagues using mobile banking. He added that the bank has embarked on the process of onboarding working clients on the mobile banking platform by making sure they fill in the registration forms for mobile banking.
This mobile money is a program of trying to encompass the rural people, those who are unbanked, so that they are brought on board. In short, we can say it's a financial inclusion. It has helped us a lot. Way back when we received salaries, we are paying salaries, government workers, we used to have long queues outside for people to be paid. People coming from as far as Namwala, Kalomo, this is provincial headquarters. Now that thing is a thing of the past. People are able to transfer money from in the comfort of their homes, from their gadgets into their accounts into their Airtel money, MTN money, COZ. So we no longer have those queues, people waiting to get paid. So it has helped us a lot in reducing congestion in our branches. They are able to pay DSTV using the mobile money, mobile banking facility. They're able to buy power. They're able to transfer money to their colleagues using the same facility.
Caroline Mwinga, a teacher in Joma Rural, is a Znbs client who used to travel long distances to access financial services from the bank and has been registered on the mobile banking platform. Caroline is happy that the innovation has changed her life, as she used to travel long distances to access financial services from the Zambia National Building Society.
It has changed my banking system very much because I come from a rural school and I had to be traveling to come just to find out on my bank balance or maybe salaries are in. But since the onset of mobile banking, I am always doing all the services while at home. I'm connected to the bank, but I'm usually still at home without losing any transport money or the like, because I'm updated on everything that happens at the bank. And I only travel when it is necessary, and I know to say I'll find my money or I'll find the service that I want. So I advertise to my friends. I even show them brochures that I get when I come to the bank. And then they come to know what is happening with building society.
It has really helped, because before we used to complain whereby maybe you want to access a certain service from the bank, but because you are not connected to mobile banking, you have to come here. But with the coming of mobile banking, at least we are able to access the information that we need and the services without coming to the bank. Maybe there's something that you're not sure of what is happening, like on your account, you're able to check through the phone. If there's any transaction that has been made to your account, we are able to know without coming to the bank. We are able to transfer money from the bank to our Airtel account. We are able to pay bills, and we are able to access at least a little bit of a statement of our account.
Each and every customer who comes in, we do check whether they are registered for mobile banking. Those who are not registered, we give them forms to fill in so that they are registered. But there are some accounts whereby they don't qualify to be on mobile money transfer, like standing order accounts, those which attract charges such that they don't elude charges. So those are not yet registered, but they are very few.